Hello, mic check. Nampasarap yan. Nakakalimutan niyo pangalan ni Mrs. niya. Joke lang. Si Waki tulog. Hey guys, welcome to our baking vlog. For today, we will bake special carrot cake. Para kanina yung carrot cake? Actually, birthday ni Mrs. tomorrow. Going to have an ingredients. Syempre, itong ating carrots. Yan. Tapos meron tayong orange zest. Yan. We have our walnut, cinnamon, cream cheese, our baking powder as usual, yung mga common na mga ingredients. Sugar, baking soda, we have our cooking oil, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, tsaka itong confectioner's sugar. Ayan. So, guys, meron tayong bagong machine. So, we have our Oster na hand mixer para hindi na tayo napapagod na mag-mix. Ayan. Okay, so guys, sisimulan natin for our carrots. Yan, so around 4 pieces siya. Actually, i-grate mo siya. Yan ang parang pinaka-main ingredients ng ating cake. Ayan, so i-grate na natin siya. Ayan, so pinaka-maliit lang. Okay? Ayan. So, i-grate natin around 4 pieces of carrots. Ayan. Medyo matagal, pero tiyagaan talaga. Check nyo. So, okay na siya. Now, we're going to mix yung ating white powders. So, what are those? We will put sa ating sifter, yan, ang 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. But I just thought that I would lose my mind. Yan. Ito yung ating baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Ito. Para mawala yung mga yung mga buo-buo. Also, lagyan rin natin ng pinch of salt. Kurot. Tapos, imimix natin evenly by our spatula. Ayan. So guys, as you can see, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You just have to mix it evenly. Ayan. Okay? And now, we're going to put yung butter for our baking pans. Yan, so nalagyan na natin ng butter yung ating baking pans here. Yan. As you can see, well distributed para hindi kakapit yung cake mismo. So, for the separate bowl, we will put yung ating 1 cup of sugar for our batter mixture para sa ating carrots. 1 cup of sugar, tapos 4 eggs. We're going to beat this in 3 to 5 minutes in medium. Going to put 3/4 cups of cooking oil. Ayan. Then vanilla extract. Ayan, so ito na yung ating batter. Ang ating cake batter. Now, itong ating carrots, we're going to mix some ingredients na. So we're going to put ang ating carrots with a zest of orange. It's optional actually, pero this will taste great. Yan. So ugasan nyo yung orange, guys, ha. Pampasarap yan. Makakalimutan yung pangalan ni misis nyo. Joke lang. Tapos 1 cup of ground walnut. Tapos optional din na lagyan mo ng 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you're going to mix it. Yan, so ready na ang ating carrot mix. Lalagay na natin sa ating batter. Wow! Tapos, kapag nilalagyan nyo itong pan, make sure na walang hangin. So, dapat binabagsak-bagsak nyo ng konti. Yan. Sobrang messy. Pero okay lang yan. Now, we're going to put it sa oven for 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Okay? For our frosting naman, we put half ng cup ng butter, softened butter. Tapos, around 340 grams of cream cheese. We're going to put na yung cream cheese. Then we're going to put 1 cup of powdered sugar. Parang gusto kong tikman. Masarap. Happy birthday! Masarap, no? Di ba kitulog? Sarap. Na. Grabe. Oo, sarap ah. So, ano pa lang yan? Frosting pa lang yan. Carrot cake has arrived. Naluto na yung ating cake. Yan. So we're going to let this chill first. Babalik na rin natin yan. Wow! Simple as that. Wow! Yan. Okay. Okay.
Hi!
Yan. So, binake na namin itong carrot cake for our mommy, V. Yan. Yan. So, ngayon pa lang namin titikman. Yan. So, kasama namin si Waki ngayon. Special guest for tonight. Ano, Waki?
Papabuhat ayaw magpapakain. Si
Oo.
Bubay dito eh.
So, let's go slice it na.
Ganda ng tsura. Eh, di ba yung isa lang?
Ito lang. Okay. Ito lang.
Ito muna sa baba.
Ito lang sa baba.
Hindi mo isasama yung taas. Baba.
Ay, sorry. So, this is carrot cake requested by Bebe. How can you slice it if you're not going to consider yung middle? Ayan.
Pakita mo i-close up.
Okay.
Kung gaano ka moist.
Check it, guys. Where's my teas?
Ewan ko, ikaw nagpagay.
Ayun, doon.
Ang harap, di masyado matamis. Which is yun yung gusto ko. Pero pag sinamahan mo nung frosting, perfect.
May ano?
Hindi na ako
May
bibili sa...
twist. May twist ng ano?
Ang favorite carrot cake ko sa ano eh. Ano yung nagsarap?
Hindi, meron siyang ano. Hindi siya yung parang bread lang.
Ang sarap. Nalalasahan ko yung citrus. Halo yung carrot, sweetness ng frosting, walnut, citrus. Ang sarap. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa luto ni Daddy? Ha?
Waki.
Pakita mo sa kanila yung dimple mo, anak. Asan yung dimple ni baby? Asan yung dimple ni baby?
In fairness. Hindi siya parang
So,
pwede na natin ibenta to.
anong next? Ay, may trending na yun. Yung pistachio, kanaf. Dubai soft cookie. Pistachio something. Pakita ko sa'yo. Saan yung kwento sa'yo?
Hindi
Milk
mo
na.
siya masyado matigas.
I-off mo na, magpapamilk na ako. Bye!